What else would you like, ma'am? Again, repeat everything. Repeat the menu for the sir. Repeat it.
Okay.
That's it. What do you like, Abigail? What would you like to eat today? Okay, I'm waiting.
Okay, how much is the dessert? Oh, I want to pick my dessert.
Look at the elephants, guys. Look at the elephants.
Are you guys volunteers or what members by any chance? You have a barbecue, sir?
Oye, Erika, ¿tú eres miembro de eso?
Beautiful giraffe. I mean elephants.
Mama, do I have to pick my drink?
They're pretty, no?
Llevo mi tarjeta. Si lo mezcla con otro.
You're okay, Eileen. Look at the fish.
Unless, do I have to choose my drink?
Yes, you already asked for Sprite. Dory, what are you doing? Look at Dory, guys. She's just resting in the wall right there. Dory, are you kissing the coral? I guess so. Okay. Eileen, say hi. How many fish are there in the fish tank? Everything? Count each fish, please. Okay, there's a fish right there. Is that a big one? How much are you counting this for? Yeah, there's two big fish. Goodbye, go big fish. Hope you enjoy this video of the rainforest. With the gorilla over there. Some more fish over there. A bird right here.
Do you know, Ray, what do you want to eat?
The bird. And the elephant. Yeah.